Hello friends, welcome back to MS Technologies. Today in this video, we are going to see what is the difference between Java versus Python. First, what is Java? Java is an object-oriented and platform-independent programming language used for developing various applications like mobile applications, web applications, any enterprise applications we can develop by using Java technology. Next, what is Python? Python is a simple, high level, general purpose, and interpreted programming language used for artificial intelligence, machine learning, web development, and many more other applications. Next, speed. Compare with Java and Python. Which one have more speed? Java is faster than Python. It is compiled programming language. It takes less time to execute the code. Suppose if you write 1,000 lines of the code, Java can able to compile all 1,000 lines of the code at a time within fraction of seconds. It won't take much more time to execute all 1,000 lines of the code. What about Python? Python is slower than Java. It is interpreted programming language. It takes more time to execute the code. Why? Interpreter will execute line by line. Suppose if you have 1,000 lines of the program, to execute all 1,000 lines, it will take more time. Why? Because interpreter will execute line by line. It can't able to execute all 1,000 lines at a time like Java. Syntaxes. If you go for Java, just to print one small statement, how many lines of the code we have to write? At least we have to write 5 to 6 lines of the code. Java has more lines of the code. Here we have to take inside the class everything. And inside the class we have to take one main function. Inside that we have to take the statement. And here we have to take more curly braces and curly braces also. See here, I want to print just a hello Java word. To print that statement, here I wrote around 5 to 6 lines of the code. If you go with Python, only one line. Very less number of lines we can able to complete. See here, to print one statement, here I wrote only one line like print hello Python word. Now compare with Java, Python has less lines of code. Next, variable declaration. In Java, at the time of declaring any variables, we have to remember 2 points at here. What 2 points we have to remember? First one, at the time of declaring any variable, compulsory we have to specify the type in Java, and it should be ends with the semicolon. First one is compulsory, we have to specify the type. Second one is compulsory, it should be ends with the semicolon. Here I am declaring two variables a, b. At the time of declaring this variable, I specified type also explicitly. Here the type of a is int. What this type will represent? Here a contains integer type of data, means that a type represents. So what type of data is available inside the variable? Here int a means this a contains integer type of data. Int b means this b contains integer type of data. Next, if you go with the Python, we no need to specify the type explicitly, and we no need to take any semicolons at the end of the declarations. Here just I am taking a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Automatically Python can able to understand what is the type of a and b based on the values which we are providing. Here I am providing a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Based on these values, automatically Python can able to understand what is the type of a and what is the type of b. Here, if you want to know what is the type of a and type of b, Python is providing one inbuilt function which is nothing but type function. By using the type function, we can able to know the type of the variables. Type of A, simply it will return class int. Type of B, it will return class int like that. Next, indentation. If you go with the Java, indentation is not required. In Java, if you won't get any error if you miss the indentation also. Why? In Java, everything we are taking inside curly braces. Right? We are taking begin curly brace and end curly brace. At that time, that group of statements are placed inside that curly braces only. At that time, even if you miss that, even if you miss to take that indentation, also not an issue. But coming to Python, indentation is mandatory. If you miss indentation, you will get error also in Python. Here we are not using any curly braces, right? Where that block is started, where that block is ended. To represent that, we are not taking any curly braces in Python. Based on that indentation only, we can able to tell where that loop started, where that loop ends, where that block starts, where that block ends. Everything we can able to tell by using indentation only in Python. Popularity. Java is popular for mobile applications and web applications. But coming to Python, Python is very popular for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT programming. Easy to learn. Which one is very easy to learn? Python is more user friendly than Java. Both languages, Java and Python, have unique advantages for developers and users. For beginners point of view, Python is the best choice. It is very easy to understand and it is very easy to code also. Even you don't have any knowledge on computers, you don't have any knowledge on programming, but still you can able to understand Python programming. It seems a normal English language. You won't get any feeling like is this programming language. If you know how to read the English and how to write the English, is it enough for learning Python? But coming to Java, not like that. If you want to learn Java, compulsory you should have basic knowledge on programming. Whether you should have C++ knowledge, at least, or C knowledge, then only you can able to understand what we are writing in Java. In Java, we have to write classes, methods, curly braces, etc., etc., all the things. Suppose if you don't have knowledge on programming, you can't able to understand the coding. So that's why for beginners who is going to learn programming first time, for those kind of people, Python is the very, very best choice. I hope you guys are enjoyed this video. If you guys are enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.